I got a present. Who doesn't love presents? Let's be honest. You want to test me, do you? The team here got me a little something, really just because, and that's okay. It's a gift box, subscription box thing, and you know, we did it for science again. We're really sacrificial around here, but they got me something called man crates. And if you're not familiar with man crates, it's a curated gift box. All sorts of different things that you can get online. I actually have no idea what's in here. We're gonna find out, but let's dig into the packaging. All right, first place to start is on the outside. It showed up, this one showed up in a, I don't know, 1 foot cube, 1 inch, not 1 inch. 1 foot cube box, and it was kind of polarizing actually to the team around here. They used the art to create this distressed, kind of dirty box, stamps and stencils and all kinds of accoutrement on it. And yeah, there was some reaction like that looks dirty and gross, but I think it's kind of cool. You know, they made the corrugated look weathered and torn in different places on the box, and yeah, I think it's a really interesting all over texture that they applied to this. So super distinct when it shows up. Let's cut it open with my trusty knife, which I just found has been lost all week, and see what we got in here. All right. Wow, more flood coat actually on the inside of this box. There is a pattern kind of all over on the inside of it. That's manly, just like me, manly. And it says here, pro tip, you might want to limber up. This crate is stubborn adversary. Capture the struggle on video. Done, and then show it. So. I think right away, they are really owning this experience. They've made a unique experience, and they want the packaging component to be a part of that, something that you document and then share and ultimately get for somebody else. So right on the top here, there's a card. It says, at least one person out of 7.4 billion thinks you're great. That's the warm fuzzies. That is, oh, hey team, what kind of person doesn't love pizza? A weird dough. Let's get these pizzas on the grill. Fuse Neo, everything on peels. We have an everything on wheels statement. Somebody was playing with that. All right, good job team, good job. So it comes with a little pry bar here. And we are going to try and get this thing out. Probably an easier way to do this. So there's the inside. It's like, I don't know if you can see that, all over texture in there. Well done, nicely done. So here is a plywood constructed crate that is going to be attempted to be opened by me. They glued all the seams, those jerks. Have to call somebody. I'm not gonna go for the bottom of the box where it appears to be a little bit easier. Oh man. You can see there, they fill that whole seam with hot glue. So, right away, what we can say about this is it is intentionally difficult. You know, they want you to laugh at yourself a little bit. Done. Everybody else laugh at you a little bit. Done. They want you to struggle a little bit. Done.
For crying out loud.
Again, I could go for this bottom here. Oh, success. Oh, great success. That. Oh no, you didn't. You did not. You split the plywood. Oh, cursed box. I seriously was not planning on sweating tonight. No. I'm gonna get a couple of tools. Brought a little tool to help with my sweet little here we go. Oh, for crying out loud. You and me, not friends. We are not friends. All right. I could wrestle with this for the next 2.5 hours. It wouldn't make very good video. So we're gonna go for the bottom. We're just gonna cheat because the bottom is not glued together so bad that all it does is delaminate the plywood. No, the bottom has a few nails in it. The nails are reasonable. The nails are fine. Yes, let's just do that. No, that's sounds like a much better idea. All right. Now, this is disappointing. It is. And the team here at Fusenio is going to pay dearly for this because, you see, all of that work, and there's nothing in here for me to eat right now. This is, as the card says, pizza stuff. So they can all enjoy nice pizzas out on the grill or the smoker with a pizza cutter, a nice little, oh, there you go. A little pizza, everything on peels. I'm gonna have to ask what that's all about. But it says Fusenio on it. So they must have burned this little custom logo in there. But yeah, a little pizza cutting board there. There's some, a bag of flour, high gluten, high protein, honest, cool. There's a book on pizza, From Everyday to Gourmet. We also have pizza stone tiles, and looks like lastly a pizza roller. And then lastly is pizza herb blend. Then we've got some paper dunnage and, for whatever reason, some foam, some polyethylene foam dunnage, not sure. And then on the bottom, or the top, if I could have gotten the top open, I would have seen this. It was the pizza grilling crate. And yeah, I could not get there. So this is really, it's repack. It's secondary and tertiary packaging. It's a kit, but the whole thing is around the experience of this. And you know, it kept me entertained for more than a minute of just cutting tape open. And it's going to give everybody around here something to laugh at for a little bit, which is worth it. But yeah, interesting. Not much in the way of packaging extras. I think the outer box was pretty cool that they did, and just the way that they've curated this experience to add something more than just here's some pizza stuff is pretty interesting. The box itself is all like 1/4-inch ply, nothing. It's not recyclable or anything else. It's garbage, but yeah, interesting experience. Let me know if you've seen some other really cool experiences like this, your thoughts on this one, or if you just want to laugh at me in the comments. That's okay too. I'd actually prefer if you just want to send me a gift instead that's cooler. Something I can eat right now would be great, because I've worked myself up an appetite, and I'm gonna go eat something. And I'm mad at the team.